Okay, today looking at Keypad Horror from Codewars, and this is a Java exercise, my friends. It is Java. So let's go. The description says having two standards for a keypad layout is inconvenient. Computer keypads layout, and it shows a little picture here of your standard kind of data entry situation. 789456123. We've seen this. We're probably on a computer right now. So yeah, you've seen that before. So it shows a picture of that. Then it shows a picture of a cell phone or telephone for you older cats, the layout. Yeah. And it says, solve the horror of unstandardized keypads by providing a function that converts computer input into a number as if it was typed on a phone. Example, 789 to 123. You get a string with numbers only. Okay, what really is going on here is that you're going to get a string of numbers and you're going to convert from this format to your cell phone format. And it's like you're going to convert orientation to other orientation, like physical location, sort of. Like the 7 is at the top left here. It's going to get converted to a 1. The 9, top right, converts to a 3. So you convert between. So the 789 is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is the same, and then it's flipped where the 1, 2, 3 from the computer is 789 on your cell phone layout. So computer keypad to cell phone, that is the conversion happening here. And if I did not mention it earlier, this is a Java exercise, doing it in Java this time. Let's go. Going to expand out here because I'm going to need some room. And I'm first going to import java.util because I'm going to be using ArrayList and arrays for this one. Converting from computer keypad to cell phone keypad. I'm going to copy in to pre-made, pre-baked goodies here to array lists. I've got an array list of characters, really two array lists of characters. The first one is the numbers in order of computer keypad, and the second one is cell phone keypad. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the corresponding indexes for conversion. Like the 7 will map to a 1, the 9 maps to a 3. Of course, the 4, 5, 6s are the same as you saw with the difference in the pictures. And then yeah, these map to these. So what I'm going to do is, find a number in the computer keys and then convert using corresponding index. Like if I get a 7, it's going to convert to a 1 based on index, because the indices, I guess you could say, will be the same across the array lists. So I just look for the same index in the other array list. That's what I'm doing to do the conversion. So let's do it. Indent here, indent. The conversion is going to be held in a string, so I'm going to create a string. Empty one. Some of y'all out there use String Builder. I never got into using String Builder, but this works String builder is good as well. Gonna loop. I'm going to loop through the original string. And the original thing is a string, so I'm going to get the length of it. And maybe I'll make this a little bigger, just in case it needs to be seen better by y'all. Okay, as I loop, I'm going to convert the character, the number character, and concatenate it into my converted string. So on the left side, of course, the destination of things is always on the left. I am going to do this. I'll explain this soon. Okay. When you see a complicated expression, typically my guideline is to look from the inside out to kind of read it. This line really, it contains the entire conversion from computer key to cell key. So I get the current character from the original string, and then I get the index of that character in the keys array list. I get the index of it. That is going to be an integer. And then I feed that integer into the get method of cell, and that is going to get a character from cell that corresponds to the same index from the keys array list. Corresponding indexes. Like if I'm dealing with a 7, I'm going to get the index of 7 in keys and then feed that into cell to get the to get whatever is at index I of cell. So this is how the corresponding indexes match up, or indices, if you will. Indices. Whatever it is. You guys can tell me. I'm not a pronunciation expert in the world of programming. But at the conclusion of that, you're going to have the converted character, and you're going to concatenate it to convert it. Very good, very good. So now that that is done, I am done, pretty much. I will return my converted string. We are good to go. Time to test this out. Go back to this, and yeah, this looks crazy when it's all blown up and expanded. That passes. And I know that is going to pass. Passed. Excellent. Okay, there is your solution. Blow it up a little bit again. This is, what's the name of this one? Keypad horror. That's it, yeah. Not the other one. Keypad horror. Okay. In Java, it's done. Codewars. Here we go again. Good morning. Happy Monday. Thank God it's Monday. And I am done.